From up here, the village reveals itself quietly, resting between the hills, shaped by time and tradition. As I walk forward, old homes come into view, simple structures built with care, standing where generations once lived, laughed, and dreamed. These buildings may look small from above, but each one carries a story of mornings, sunsets, and lives deeply connected to the land. Down in the valley, the village breathes calmly. No rush, no noise, just the quiet rhythm of life moving slowly. Paths weave between the houses, linking hearts, memories, and moments that time hasn't erased. Sometimes looking down reminds us how grounded life can be, simple, peaceful, and beautifully rooted. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share.